Hello EBR, I'm Justin Robichaud with the Math Department, and today I'm going to review the third grade bell ringers document with you. And as a reminder for those that have engaged or have not engaged with this document, it is designed to provide students and teachers with opportunities to engage with LEAP-like questions on a daily basis. And we're also asking that teachers and students engage with this document during the first 5 minutes of each math class. So let's go ahead and get started. On slide 2 of this bell ringer, we see the general overview that articulates some of the concepts I just referenced. Again, the goal of this document is to help students improve their achievement level on the LEAP assessment. So from a teacher perspective, I strongly recommend identifying how you want students to interact with this document. Do you want your students to answer these questions in a composition notebook? Do you want them to answer these questions digitally by making a copy of the slide deck? Either way, we're just asking that teachers identify a consistent model for students to show their work and answers to these bell ringers. As we get into the document, and as we did last year, the bell ringers are titled to correspond with the Eureka lesson of the day. So as you see here, the third grade bell ringers scope and sequence starts on Module 1, Lesson 1. Each bell ringer is then paired with a Eureka lesson to provide the spiral review. We also want to point out that each bell ringer contains the standard addressed in the bottom right corner. As you can see, this bell ringer starts with standards from the previous year. We did a little bit differently this year, starting it that way to make sure that students ease into the document by providing spiral work from the previous year. As we scroll through the document, you will see that you can go to any page just by scrolling through on the left-hand side. And as you can see, again, we're starting off with our second grade standards in the third grade document. Then we will get into the third, and we even have a few fourth grade standard as well to make sure that students are being exposed to not only prior year's work, but being exposed to next year's work as well. So as you can see here, the bell ringer ends on slide 123 and ends with Module 7, Lesson 30. So that would be the conclusion of the third grade year once you got to that part. So make sure that you use this document on a daily basis. And I hope you enjoyed this presentation on our third grade bell ringers. If you need anything from our department, please don't hesitate to email jrobichaud@ebrschools.org. And as always, thanks for everything you do to make EBR a great place to learn and work. Have a great day.